Sagittarius, Angel Serena is saying to you, I am the angel of abundance. You will receive the money that you need. And God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. Sagittarius, you may be experiencing some indecision at the moment. You are emotionally detached or might need to emotionally detach from the situation that is happening around your energy right now. You're having a hard time deciding about something that is going on in your life. And whatever effort you are trying to make at the moment is being blocked by delay, or you are just not seeing any progress. You may need to get away from the external noises around you so that you can make the right decisions. You have a decision to make, and neither one seems good. You may need to detach from whatever this is to gain some fresh perspective and to reassess the situation. You are feeling blocked and even held back, stagnation. Things might be slow paced, or you are experiencing postponement. You may have to slow down. Don't be hasty. You could be feeling sluggish, having anxiety. There's just too much information, whatever this is, and you are in mental turmoil. Angel Bridget is saying caution is warranted. Look deeper into this situation before proceeding, Sagittarius. Angel Bethany, when you take excellent care of yourself, Sagittarius, everybody benefits. Give yourself a relaxed treat today, such as a massage, sea salt, bath, or a pedicure. Angel Akasha, you are a spiritual teacher, Sagittarius. You have the ability to counsel others and to help them awake